Let's solve this problem. ABCD is a rectangle. AB is equal to DC and equals to 16. AD is equal to BC and equals to 12. AFCE is a rhombus. Let's represent the length of each side of the rhombus as A. FB is equal to 16 minus A. Triangle FBC is a right triangle. We can find FC using the Pythagorean theorem. It is equal to 25 over 2. The detailed solution of the equation can be found in the description below. Let's connect point A to point C. Triangle ACD is a right triangle. We can find AC using the Pythagorean theorem. AC is equal to 20. Since the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular and bisect each other, EGC is a right triangle. We can find EG using the Pythagorean theorem. EG is equal to 15 over 2. And since the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, EF is equal to 2 times EG, which is equal to 15. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.